Hello, my name is Pam. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you being here. Today we are going to talk about Kaleidos makeup. Kaleidos makeup was founded in 2017 or 2018. It depends on what source, but it looks like they actually went like live in 2018, but they were founded in 2017. And it was founded by a beauty blogger who had worked in the makeup industry. Her name is Zoe Pugh, P-U. And she brought her boyfriend, Tony Chen, and his friend, Mark Henry, in together, and they created this makeup company. They are based in Shanghai, China, but they are an indie brand. And they are known for their products are vegan and cruelty-free. And their motto is no authority, basically meaning nobody should dictate what beauty looks like to you and how you interpret beauty for yourself and how you do your makeup and that type of thing. And they're kind of known for bright, vibrant colors. So I wanted to show you these. Now, they do have a website that you can order directly from them. However, with the state of things the way they are globally, I don't know if you ordered from China how long it would take to get here these days. They do have a TikTok website because I guess they have an American warehouse. Now, it doesn't say so on the Kaleidos website, but Uncle Google, spit it out. The interwebs tell me to order from the TikTok shop if I want my things fast. So I ordered from the TikTok shop, and I got my items 3 to 4 days, and here they are. So I just wanted to show you this. They came in this box, my items did, like this box with like a little plastic mailer wrapped around it. So I just wanted to, I have unboxed it. It didn't come all open and puffy like that, but I just kind of wanted to show you that, they do package their products well, and we will open it here online together. All right, one of the things I bought is their lunar token and capsule. And I'll just show you here. You pick the lip product that you want, and then you pick the bullet that you want. And there's several to choose from. So I'll show you what I picked. So it's $22 for a bullet, and you have 6 different options to choose from. And you get a lip, and there are 12 different lip products to choose from. I just did the black one, but you can see it's glass. It's kind of a dark purple hue. I thought that was kind of cool. So you open it up and it's empty. And this is the lip bullet that goes inside of here. I didn't read the directions, so we're kind of learning this together. It looks like you probably take this part off. So that's what I'm going to do. I bought the shimmery lip balm. I missed frosts, guys. I'm a little tired of the matte lip thing. Okay, so that's how that works. So then you have a refillable case. And like I said, they do have 12 shades to choose from. And it goes up and down. How very nice. $22. I'm telling you the retail price as seen on the Kaleidos website. They are doing a 20% off Mother's Day lip combo, and they do free global shipping off their website. For if you spend $75, you get free global shipping. I'm not sure of any deals going on TikTok. There's always deals going on TikTok. This is an eyeliner, this next item, and it is the Kaleidos Epiphany Glow Melt On Eyeliner. Prismatic light reflection, waterproof, and glide on. A velvet multi-chrome gel eyeliner with a color shift across ultramarine, violet, dark plum. pierce through the night with tripped over my tongue, with electrifying energy. Oh, the other thing that this makeup brand, I think I told you they're cruelty-free and vegan. They also ethically mine their mica. They won't mine mica if child labor is involved. That is the eyeliner. Look how beautiful that is. And the last thing I bought was this little palette. And this is the Kaleidos Quad in the color, or the shade, palette shade, Flowing Haze. High impact, high drama quad palette featuring 4 tantalizing shades, immortalized in a remarkably luxe, pigment-rich formula ranging from natural matte to crystalline shimmers. The polished shadows are in a league of their own. Isn't that beautiful? This is hard here. The case itself is fabric on the outside. That's not plastic. That is a soft fabric, it feels like a velour, and it is padded. Case has a mirror, which is nice. Have the brand name there. And so the colors are just on the little plastic protector. Oh, it doesn't even have tell me what the colors, it just tells me how to use it. So base, radiate, diffuse, and accentuate. Okay. Do some swatches. Oh, it feels very creamy. Very, very creamy. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I have to give this a thumbs up, guys. Oh, that's a gorgeous, 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 just absolutely stunning shimmer. All these are extremely highly pigmented. I'm going to say they're easily Natasha Denona quality as far as the silkiness of the mattes and the color payoff. And I don't think they're as expensive as her. I'll have to look up and tell you how much this palette costs. But that is lovely. Very pretty. This eyeliner is $16. And it is in their Night of Creation line. It looks like they have, no, it's just their eyeliner line. I take that back. They just have multiple shades of eyeliners, and it looks like several of them are either metallics or multi-chromes, that type of thing. So if you're into really cool eyeliners, you might want to check out Kaleidos Makeup. Okay, these quads, they're $22, and it looks like they have 6 options to choose from. One of their options is sold out, but basically for this one, this particular palette, the name of it is called Flowing Haze, and it's described as an array of cool-toned mauve taupe mattes with a liquid to gold shimmer duochrome that unveils fresh, whimsical depth. And key features: buttery smooth texture, finely milled and creamy formulas that blend seamlessly. I have to agree with that. Effortless color story. It's curated, so it all looks good together. And high impact payoff and crease-free wear. So first impressions, I like the brand. I think that the color swatches are beautiful. The multi-chrome eyeliner is very cool, and who doesn't love a refillable packaging? Like I said, I picked the shimmer balm because I'm just kind of over all the matte lips, so now I can have a frosted lip anytime I want. All right, I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know, have you tried Kaleidos makeup? If you have, what product do you have, or what do you recommend? If you haven't tried it, are you curious about it? Let me know. I will see you in the comments. See you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.